Ayan, nagtulo-tulo, nag-swimming ang buwang-buwang nga to sa bathtub. Hi! What did you do in the bathroom? I can see you. Dad, look at Macho, he swim. In the shower room, look, it's flooded. It's like, no, Dad, it was not me, Dad.
All the evidence seems to suggest
It's Mama, Dad.
that it was
You? Oh, and he's going to the bathroom again. Ayun.
And he's like,
Hala, nagbahambuang. Pacho, yung buang-buang talaga, baby. You want to swim in the swimming pool? Ha? Yeah? Nainitan yata yung kamaog. You stay downstairs. Because Mama don't have aircon on here. You go.